What's up, friends? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jen. If you're new here, welcome. This video is the LA Colors Illuminating Skin Enhancer Light Reflecting Drops. If you're not new, you know that I always do a giveaway in every video, and if you are new, make sure you stay till the end to see how to enter. This video, I will be giving away one of the Skin Enhancer drops in the shade Moonbeam. If you like the content, please subscribe, and let's get right into this video. Okay, up first we have Opalescence. I'm going to give them a good shake. Just comes in a regular dropper. These do feel quite greasy. I have the Cover Effects drops and they don't feel like this, just keep that in mind. I have used one of these and I mixed it in with my foundation and I actually really liked it. If you have dry skin, I think you'll really like these opposed to the Cover Effects. When the Cover Effects dries down, it dries down a little bit stiff, let's say. Okay, these don't dry down as stiff. They dry down a little more creamy. So if you have dry skin, I think you might like these a lot. This is Opalescence, and it's exactly what it is. It has an opalescent shine. And then, like I said, this is it blended out. Up next, we have Sun Goddess. Your medium skin tone, this is the one I would go for. This is actually a little deep for me, but I'm a little fair right now for my normal skin tone. Up next, we have It's Lit. This is a more peachy gold compared to the last one. And I do have one studio light pointing at it, but far away, just so you can see the reflect in it. But this is exactly what you're seeing, is exactly how it looks in person. And that's It's Lit. Next up, we have Aura. And this one is meant to be for color correcting. I personally would not color correct it with these. They're very greasy, like I said. And I don't recommend them for that. But what I do recommend this as is a liquid blush. If you put a little bit on a beauty blender and pat this out, it looks beautiful. And this is Aura. Up next, we have Moonbeam, and this is the one I will be giving away in the giveaway. I thought this one was actually the most fun. And that's really what these are for, when you really want to play around with makeup and just do something that you wouldn't normally do. And it's in a very icy pink. And I think it would be the prettiest one out of all of them. And I also thought it had the most beautiful reflect as well. This is Moonbeam. I also think these look very beautiful on the body, on the shoulder blade, on the décolletage. This would look really, really pretty. Really, really pretty, especially in summer. And it ain't no $60 body lava, just saying. And last up, we have Liquid Gold. And this one is actually my least favorite because of the color. It's odd. I'm not a yellow girl, and it's very lemony yellow. Okay, that completes this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave hashtag LAColors, hashtag giveaway in the comments section below. I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and all that stuff. It really helps me out. And stay tuned, because when we hit 1,000, and I know we will, I'm going to be doing a really big giveaway. So thanks for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.